Hi, my name is Michal Jančuška. I am a lighting designer here at OMS and would like to present to you our new software tool LQS Composer PRO. I want to explain to you how the software works and help you to understand the benefits it can offer you. LQS Composer PRO is a tool you can use to evaluate the quality of your lighting projects. It works very simply by giving each lighting solution a score from 5, with 5 being the best and 0 the worst. To perform the evaluation, all you will need is a lighting design calculated in Dialux and LDT files for the light fixtures used. This is how the final output of LQS Composer PRO looks. It's a summary of your lighting project. At the top you can find basic information about the project, such as project name and the responsible person and so on. And also additional information about room dimensions and hours of operation. This second part is divided into two. The left side shows details about the first solution, solution A. The right columns show details about second solution, solution B. It allows us to directly compare two different designs for one room. The details shown include information about the light fixtures used, including the power consumption, lumen output, correlated color temperature, and color rendering index. Then about the types of light source used and the number of light fixtures. And below you can see print screen images of each lighting design to help you imagine the solution. On the second page you have a breakdown of evaluation of the lighting quality for each design, separating into several parts with each element scoring from 5. At the end there is an energy class rating and the design's final score. The first part of evaluation assesses ergonomics, whether the design meets the normative requirements for interior working conditions. The standard is called EN 12464-1. Here it is easy to compare two designs with each other, one element at a time. The second part of the evaluation assesses emotion. This is about the biological effect of the light on perception and mood. With this part it is very easy to see which design is better for the well-being of those using the space. Next is the part assessing ecology. Here are covered various standard differences between the technologies used, like light fixture and system efficacy, how much heat is produced, and about any hazardous material content such as mercury. Also it says about if the design is good in terms of light source lifetime and maintenance. The last part assesses efficiency. It looks at how effectively the electrical energy is used. Here we can evaluate standard lighting management system tools like present, constant or daylight sensor. And finally we can see the values for the power consumption and carbon dioxide production for both designs. At the bottom here you can see the final evaluation of all parameters. First, on the left you can see the difference in energy consumption between the two solutions, shown as a percentage. Then under each solution you can see the energy class mark and the final LQS score. The energy class mark shows us how effectively the solution uses electrical energy. A is the best and G is the worst. Last but most important is the LQS score, which shows us the overall assessed value of each lighting design. Thanks to this overall score it is easy to see which is the better solution. We believe that this kind of structured and complete evaluation will add value to your lighting project. It covers all the important parameters required by the standards plus extra parameters on top and pulls everything together. It is a way that is easy to use for you and easy to understand for your customer. Now I will show you how to use LQS Composer PRO. First thing is to know where it is. You can find it on the OMS webpage, omslighting.com, and up here at the top is a link to LQS Composer PRO. Here is the fully functional tool. On the left is the part where you need to fill in information, and on the right you can see the information about the output of the solution. In the section called Project Information you need to fill in general information about the project. In the space selection part you need to choose an area of application. This is based on our Ride Light system. In this part called Solution Selection you can import LDT files for the light fixtures you want to use, or you can manually add the information. The import function synchronizes with our database of light sources. In the next part, data from calculation software, you need to fill in information about your lighting design. Information like the glare factor, the illuminance of the room surfaces, and finally you must judge if your lighting design meets the normative requirements. In the section about lighting management system, you can choose from 3 general systems that can decrease power consumption. There is a lighting management based on presence detection, constant illuminance and daylight sensors. If you want to use any of these in your design, you can select it. This last box here is where you can add any information about the project. And then underneath you can upload a print screen of the solution. The last thing to do then is to click on the Export to PDF button. This will give you a document like what I showed you first, somewhere where you have all the information together and the overall evaluation. I hope this has helped you to understand why we designed the LQS Composer PRO software and how it can be of help to you and your customers. I believe that it will be very useful for you and to help you find the best solution by simply and quickly comparing different lighting designs and having an evaluation of all parameters together in a format that is really easy to understand and judge. Thanks for watching.